One of these what?
You know, one of the airport poops.
Oh, yeah, cum poops. Okay.
Pretty good.
Okay.
We were just talking about flying down to, like, Courtney's uncle's wedding or whatever. And I hope if we fly, I don't get stuck in security again.
And the custodian's like, "What's happening in there?" You're like, "Oh!
Oh no! Oh yeah!"
You tell Corey that story? Was she laughing about it when you told her?
Yeah, she thought it was funny.
Oh yeah, that's funny as shit.
She thought it was weird, but she thought it was funny. She just didn't know that could happen.
Yeah, it amazes people when you tell, like, ow. You fucking asshole just pop shot me with a pistol, I think.
Open for business.
Alright, cool. There's a sniper in the center. That's helping me. Just looking over.
There's somebody close by stairs over here.
Yeah, I see him. He's right there. Up left, too.
Yeah, at least
Left
two.
as well. Left and that center stairs you're talking about. Sniper, center stairs. That's so broken,
Nice.
dude.
Nice. Got one more back there. Alright, I think we're good to land.
Yeah, I'll plant for the points at least.
I'm planting the bomb.
Oh, behind. Spawn.
Spotted.
Lethal out.
I'm down, mayday.
Half health.
All enemies have been eliminated.
Beating him to death. He just running up, dropping bows.
Smack. I don't understand the bounce grenade that well still. I'll buy a bounce grenade just so I can also throw. That RPG is fucking busted, man. If you give me 2 RPGs with that suitcase, that'd be fucking. That right there is a bad combo.
I didn't realize how big the. I thought it was like
flame.
75 if you direct hit him, but it's 75 if you're even just close to him.
Yeah, and then also the flames spread out into 3 circles. I thought it was just 1. But I mean, they gotta sell the character.
Overall, I think if they turn down the 75 hit damage.
Oh, I almost got my head bopped.
Dahlia's over there somewhere. She's
Sniper.
not linking. The Dahlia has to be new.
Sniper in front of
She's
you.
not linking.
Lethal out.
Oh, what a nade!
Unsuccessful.
Ah!
You're fine.
They're getting rezzed on our left.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's the guy that I dated. Nice down, nice down.
Down, mayday.
I'm flashbang, I'm dead.
Oh. Yeah, he's flanking. Oh my god, I got double teamed.
I win.
Oh,
Wiped out.
oh!
Regroup and try again.
Yeah, I threw a perfect bounce grenade that came off this pillar at the chick on their team, and then
Good enough.
oh, I didn't want to buy a fucking ass, god dick.
You can undo.
How?
There's a button for undo when you're in the menu.
Ah, Control Z. Okay, Control Z. Oh, thank you. I think Control Z is undo in Microsoft Word as well. I went to fire my RPG and like I did that thing where you're playing a third-person game and like I want to fire there. Hits the wall in front of you. Ah! That bounce grenade worked out perfect. I think Travis said it gets more damage after it bounces a bunch or some shit.
I think it only starts the fuse after it hits the ground, so I'm not certain.
Someone pushed up close to A.
Help me up. Get up.
Lethal out. Enemy spotted.
Oh fuck! On B.
Behind us.
the drone bitch now. Oh, she's on me.
Enemies have been wiped out. Nicely done.
I would have killed her, but I had my pistol out for some reason. I think I keep on playing with my pistol to run faster, like it's gonna do something.
Good enough.
Yeah, this RPG, if I hit you, the fire's going to kill you. Like, it's gonna, one, it's gonna down you. Two, it's going to thirst you. But you're right, that girl, she is a linking person, isn't she?
Yeah, and she hasn't been linked to anybody yet.
Yeah, she could have fucking 2 guns, or I don't even know what the other guy's powers are, really. Hello, Jeff.
Lethal out.
Nice. Pushing on that.
An actor over
Enemy
here.
spotted.
Anyone need to freshen up?
One shot and this person pushing you. Never mind.
Enemy spotted. Lethal out.
I'm planting the bomb.
Lethal out.
We've destroyed the enemy force. Nice work.
Yeah, this girl's AR is really fucking accurate, too.
Which one is it?
The Mark IV, the one that used to be for the medic.
Oh, gotcha.
Really?
Spend all your money.
Oh, I always do. I've never saved a dime.
Why do you think I'm in so much debt?
Only fruit snack.
Is somebody's name?
High with the bomb, sick.
Cool.
I'm gonna go die with it.
Open for business.
That's what my girlfriend says.
There's a claymore over there. They're here.
Close right, close right. America! Shit!
Lethal out.
Ow!
I'm planting the door.
How am I not blinked yet?
Lethal out.
Oh fuck, on me, Dahlia. Never mind, she's stuck.
One kill in your bomb site, Justin. Good luck. Our sniper is so bad. Oh my god, she almost killed her. Right where that marker is, there's 2 of them. Both on him.
Enemies have been
There you go.
eliminated. That's one way to do it.
Puta! Thanks, Carson.
Puta. Call me fruit
We're on the
snack.
defense now.
Carson said happy birthday, Puta. Defending. He's still gonna snipe. I might dick around with the character.
That's kind of what I was thinking. Who are you choosing?
I might do the Ugga Ugga girl.
Alright. I'll try something.
You playing Dallas or you playing...
Yeah, I'm playing Dallas, but
Who
I
needs my
unlocked the good AR, so I'm gonna use the good AR with Dallas and with the reveal.
Puta!
Oh, you can see wherever they're planning a little easier.
I'll go first. Back me up.
Okay, so yeah. I got the good AK.
That's cool. It lets you do it.
I got the good AK and incendiary grenade. I'm pretty happy.
I like.
I'm shotgunning, baby.
Well, I'll give it like 30 seconds and I'll hit the reveal. See where they're going.
Okay. Well, at least it only gives you the one, right?
Yeah, whoever's closest to me.
Yeah, assuming they haven't bought any protection, which they can't by now. But yeah, no, Carson, the mommy milkers have not been released yet.
I think they're going B.
Center?
Yep.
I'm just gonna sneak my way in.
Yeah, I got at least 2 B. Yep. One's over by the other teammate, and then you got him.
Okay, enemy spotted.
I'm over here.
Enemy spotted.
A little help.
And we got the old lady over here.
Here we
Oh, they're
go.
both here.
3, yeah, 3 all here. All 3 on me.
Lethal out.
Enemy spotted.
I'm down, mayday.
Wow, I got stuck and rolled into my teammate. Nice.
Oh, I'm butt fucked, aren't I?
Save them, but I can still finish this.
Oh, I'm so fucked.
We've been wiped out. Run it again.
That guy got lucky as fuck on you because he's pretty bad.
That first shot just now, I don't know where my shotgun went. It went pow, and like nothing went. I'm like, okay. So then I had to pop for the second shot.
I get stronger every
Yeah,
day.
I was in a good spot to kill a lot of dudes just now, but I couldn't actually like do anything.
For some reason, my brain told me there was only 2 up.
No, there were like 3 still, fucking taking around that Bravo side. I didn't expect them to go. I expect them to go Alpha side like everybody does. I got at least 1, 2 over here on me.
Oh, no way.
Lethal out. Help me out.
I'm so bad! Oh. Your scan showed him where his headshot was, Justin. It was perfect.
I guess they're going B.
How did you scan twice so quickly?
You get it refills if you down somebody.
Okay. Oh, spawn. That's game. Oh.
All enemies have been eliminated. That's one way to do it.
Ah, I missed so many shotgun blasts, dude. Whatever. It's last round. We're gonna win.
Match point. Let's get it.
I get stronger
Really, you're just being a
every
fucking
day.
nightmare. Jesus Christ. She's crying for no reason. At least no reason I can help her.
She's like, I'm gonna shit so good.
Yeah, she needs to. Fuck. Hurry up. Tired of hearing it.
Okay, one's going a hard B push, it looks like. Dude, yeah, your scan, though, was perfect. I was watching our sniper screen when you scanned, and he saw exactly where his outline was as his head appeared right over the horizon. He blew his brains out. It was great. All right, we got 1 at least if you're in the far right.
Lethal out.
I need help.
Oh, yeah, there's one on my right, too. They're so bad. Fuck me, man.
Yeah, Lancer jumped over me, and I couldn't turn around in time.
This is what I get for playing a dog shit character.
Bomb spotted.
Was she emoting?
Be a dude, help me out.
I don't know. See, who am I watching? Okay, she's dead, so it's
Enemy spotted.
good. Good. You picked the wrong gun, my friend. He's behind you now. And... Ow,
I played somebody that
oh
All
no!
friendlies eliminated.
I played against somebody
Regroup.
yesterday who had that shotgun that you use. I
Yeah.
had, they had it maxed out and it was like available to all their characters.
Jesus.
Last round. End strong.
Alright, let's put a real gun on this kit.
I like.
I got futuristic P90. Fucking Dallas. It's one thing.
These days.
It's one thing when you're dancing around with a Ronin or something.
I don't have the bald one, so I'll never be as good.
Smack that bald head.
Lethal
not
out.
good.
Shields up.
They're pushing B hard.
Good. Great, actually.
Lethal out.
She's one bullet. One bullet. Oh, she's got more than one bullet now. Teammate's fighting the last guy.
Lord.
He's like on his ass.
Nice work, team. Checks in the mail.
Woo! What a rush!